Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unbox review and setup on my new 4K night vision goggles. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them out for review, so let's go and take a look at them. I've always wanted to own a pair of night vision goggles. Never actually got some, so it's pretty cool. Alright, so let's go and actually check them out. Very nice. Alright, so it's got a couple of the awards they've gotten at the top. Probably some more information on here as well. Yep, so the manual and where everything's at right here. It comes in this nice carrying case. Very nice. Cleaning cloth for it. Type-C cable to charge it up. And then another strap for them. Let's go and actually open it up. Check that out. That is cool. All the functions right there. All right, so right here's got your micro SD card slot as well as the Type-C slot as well. And they do give you a SD card for it right here. 32 gigs, so we'll go ahead and put it in there. All right, just push it in, literally good to go. All right, so it's gonna actually power it on, that right there. All right, so we got it powered on. So you can see through right there. It is ready to go. All these light up right here as well. One thing that I did want to point out from right up here, does have a flashlight right there. So very, very cool. And then right on here, you are able to adjust the focus of it as well. As you can see, it's actually pretty simple to use. And as like I said, it does come with the manual as well. So in case there's some more advanced things that you want to do, you can do so. These do have a 10-hour battery runtime if the night vision is on, and then 16 hours if the night vision is not on. These do record in 4K video as well as a 40 megapixel photos as well. So let's actually go outside and test these out. All right, so we are outside. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the light just here in my backyard, just to kind of give us an idea of what they would look like. Let's go ahead and turn off the light. All right, the light is off. Let's go ahead and actually try it out. Hit on. So one thing that you are gonna wanna do on the inside is probably just go ahead and set everything up. So I'm gonna go ahead and accept these right away. So as you can see, it is pitch dark outside. That is cool. And the dog there. That looks really good. Wow, the quality is really nice. Very, very good quality. This is directly from the screen too. Like I said, if you do want to turn on that flashlight, check it out. So it is dark out here, but look, that does help. And then if you didn't want to have these on, just literally hit this button right here. It'll turn them off, but this still stays on. So very, very cool. Very simple to use as well. And what's cool, like I said, you can adjust. I did adjust the focus on it. Very simple to use, as I showed you earlier. Very cool. So as you guys can see, super cool night vision goggles. They were super easy to use outside, so even if you never used them before, no worries, I haven't either. It's almost like plug and play. Very user friendly. Got everything on here. If you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Definitely helps out. But if you guys are looking for some new night vision goggles, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.